In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a tab nav in Figma. If your tab bar or top navigation keeps drifting when you scroll or resize, don't worry, this is all about setting the right scroll behavior and constraints so your nav stays exactly where you expect it. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you are looking at the frame or screen where your navigation lives. It helps to keep your layers tidy. So glance at the Layers panel and locate the entire navigation element. This could be a full-width top bar, or a bottom tab bar. Click the whole navigation frame or component in the Layers panel, not just an icon or label inside it. Selecting the container ensures you apply behavior to the complete nav, not a single child layer. With the navigation selected, move to the right sidebar and switch to the Prototype tab. Here, find the Scroll Behavior section. You'll see a position control that tells Figma how this element should behave as the rest of the content moves. Choose Fixed to keep the nav locked relative to the screen at all times. This is ideal when you want the bar to remain visible as users scroll through long content. If you prefer that the nav scroll with the content until it reaches the top of the frame and then hold its place, choose Sticky. Sticky is great for headers that should travel with the scroll and then pin themselves when they hit the top edge. Next, double-check constraints so resizing doesn't push your nav around. Switch back to the Design tab if needed and look for constraints. For a top navigation, set it to top so it stays pinned to the top edge of the frame. For a bottom tab bar, set it to bottom. If your nav should span the full width, also pin left and right, so it stretches correctly when the frame width changes. These constraints don't affect scrolling behavior directly, but they prevent unexpected shifts when you resize frames or present on different device sizes. A quick tip: if you don't see the position option in the Prototype panel, make sure your nav is inside a frame that can scroll and that you've selected the right container. Also, be careful not to apply Fixed or Sticky to a tiny child element. It's best applied to the nav's top-level frame or component. That's it. Thanks for watching.